Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to change Roblox VNG to normal Roblox. First, open settings on your phone. Now scroll down and tap on General. Here, tap on iPhone storage. This section shows all the apps installed on your device and how much storage they are using. Now search for Roblox and tap on it. Here, tap on Offload App. This removes the app itself while keeping its documents and data on your device. Once the process is complete, open Roblox on your phone and check if the issue has been resolved. If it is still showing Roblox VNG, open the App Store. Here, search for Roblox and check if an update is available. If you see an update button, tap on it and wait for the latest version to install. Now go back to your home screen and press and hold the Roblox app icon. Then tap on Remove App. Next, tap Delete App. Then tap Delete again to confirm. This will completely remove Roblox and its app data from your device. After that, open the App Store again. Search for Roblox and tap Install to download a fresh copy of the app. Wait for the installation to finish, then open Roblox and sign into your account. After reinstalling, check whether the app is now running as the normal Roblox version. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.